is Manasvi.
Hi, my name is Vineet, and this is our cat Alex.
So like we always wanted to have a pet, but due to our busy schedule like we both are working, and so we decided to bring a cat. And the best thing that happened was lockdown. I believe that we both were doing work from home, and we just randomly thought of getting a pet. This is the best time. So then we contacted My Kitten and we bought her to our home. No. The best thing that we like about cat is that they're independent. Like they're like different from dogs. Like you have to be there for dog like every time 24/7 you have to be there. But for cat it's very different. They're independent. They take care of themselves. Like they're independent and they don't like that much to be around. So that's why I think it's very easy to be along with them.
So about cat, before buying it, I took a lot of time, like a year, and in that I searched a lot about cats, what is their behavior, how they react to the humans. So conclusion wise, I came to know that this breed, especially this breed of cat, is very familiar to the people, and so that ways I thought that I should buy a cat from there.
So like he doesn't have any fear regarding a cat, but I did, and I always thought that cat are very aggressive, and they would scratch you or they would bite you. Like they're little one, but they're like I always thought they would always like scratch you or something like that. But then when we brought Alex to our home, I think I've overcome all that fear because she doesn't bite or she doesn't scratch you anywhere. Like she's so gentle and loving. So I believe I have overcome them. So I think we have become more responsible. Like we know that we have to take care of a living thing at our home. So we become more responsible, and the way she plays with us, so like she makes us happy, and there's so much positivity and calmness being with her. So I believe that is the biggest change that like I'll tell mine, then you can share yours. So the best thing is like whatever I do, like if I'm in the kitchen, she will always be there with me. Or if I'm doing my work, so she will sit beside my laptop. So like she supervises everything, I believe. She's like 24/7 with me, and I really like it. Like she's watching me, and though she doesn't respond, like I talk to her a lot, but obviously she can't speak like that. But it's very good that she's everywhere with me. So I think I really like that thing about her.
And for me, she is very playful, and she's a stress buster to me.
अच्छा, इसको एक है कि इसको हाइड एंड सीक बहुत पसंद है. आप पर्दे के पीछे छुप जाते हो, वहाँ से फिर ये आपके ऊपर अटैक करती है, या फिर आप इसके साथ भागते हो तो आपके पीछे भागती है पूरे टाइम. शी इज़ फन ऑल टुगेदर. हम लोगों को तो मतलब 6 months 8 months जो हमारे निकले हैं वो बहुत अच्छे निकले हैं इसकी वजह से.
Just randomly we gave her a name, Alex. So like we thought of many names. Like we thought I think Sugar also we thought Olive, but then we gave her Alex. So it was just a random thought for us.
No, as such, no, because these animals are not harming us anyway, so no cons are there.
Also, they do not mess things. Like they do not clutter everywhere. They have their specific place. They have their litter box where they do their thing. So they do not go everywhere or the corners and litter things. So I think like they love to clean themselves, and they like surroundings to be cleaned. So I don't think there is any con getting a cat. We searched so much over the internet, but we couldn't figure out any like genuine thing on the net. But when we searched on My Kitten and we saw their client reviews and all their feedback that was shared on the page, so we thought like this is a very honest and genuine website. And then the moment we decided that yes, we should obviously contact them and get a cat for us. I believe it has been an amazing one because like I'm not used to cat. Like this is the first experience that I'm petting a cat. So whenever we had any query or doubt, so they were always available on WhatsApp or a call away. So like initially we did not understand how to take care of her and like what all she needs. But they had like a booklet, I believe they had given us with the kit. So each and every step was there, and obviously WhatsApp was there. So whenever we had any problem or concern regarding her, we always contacted them, and they gave a very like instant feedback to us, and they were always available. So I think it has been a very good experience.